I've always been the horse crazy girl that wanted to draw horses all the time, and so now I build them in steel. Because I was a dressage rider and interested in veterinary movement and lameness in horses, it required me to look at their motion a lot. Their body attitude is very important, and I think that has been a blessing for me in art. The sciences and the movement, the things that I learned, and then it's also being a crazy horse lady, so you like the motion. The armature basis is bones, and then I dress it in texture. I say that I go from real horses in my practice to steel horses. So. And once I started welding with steel, I realized that it was a lot easier. I could find a lot of steel left over from contracting jobs, that kind of thing, and also from things just in the desert with wonderful patina on them from being in the sun for years. And so I went into steel for that reason. I call my whole group of things out there the Frederick Bank of Rust, because that's what it is. And a lot of people come on open studios and they're just fascinated by what I have in piles, you know, before they get to the sculptures. The other things just sit around for intuition to be attractive in some way visually. One of the biggest gratifications that I've ever had is that horse people like my sculptures, because if horse people don't like them, then they're not representing the horse.